Look at that. Of course, it has the Kurt independent suspension like mine. Woody's has got it set up here nice too. Like the little kayak rack on top. Yeah, man, this thing's a BC special. You know, I never really looked at these Embers too close because it's not the kind that I really need. But the more I see them, I gotta say, they are a nifty little rig. Still got the solid steps. Got a decent sized bed in here. It's pretty much just a bed zone. It's got an AC over here on the wall. You got the basic Truma combi stuff. So you've got kind of the basics of what I have, minus the bathroom, of course. That for me is a big one. I needs my bathroom. Look at that. Notice they've got the grip tape here so you can stand on your wheel well to get on your roof. That's a cool idea. Got an extra little step there too, I guess for the same reason. Side mounted spare. TV's in the back. Instead of having a traditional fridge, you've got this sort of, you know, I'm gonna guess a 12 volt cooler. Yep, 12 volt cooler. Very cool. Of course, the griddle. They're big on the griddles here. Again, not my thing, but people seem to love it. Same kind of stabilization jacks I have, so this thing's stable as a rock when you're in it. I think that's actually what it's called too, right? A rock. You've got the tent on top, so if you got kids or someone else, you can rock the tent on top. Got the exterior shower there. It's not quite pass through, but oh look, there's the inverter. Wow, look at this thing. You got the European style windows. Got the lockbox in front, just like the other ones. Yeah, it's got a single solar panel up top. So this thing does have a solar package. And of course, if you do want to come look at it, it's at Woody's, and make sure you ask for Bill Jones.